Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am reacting to your real messages, the messages that you have sent to your ex or your ex has sent to you. You were right, I actually deserved better and I got one too. I'm just so happy ये text पढ़ के. You deserved better, you knew it and you got one. Universe always keeps testing you. वो तुम्हारी life में continuously ऐसे लोग भेजेंगे who are toxic, who don't who are toxic, या जो तुमसे continuously लड़ते रहते हैं या तुम्हें वैसे ट्रीट नहीं करते हैं जैसे तुम डिजर्व करते हो, until and unless you choose कि ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं बना है. You deserve to be treated better. You deserve एक ऐसा healthy relationship where you are happy, where your partner is happy, and when you understand that, universe just delivers you with that. But until and unless तुम अपनी mistake नहीं सीखते हो, universe just keep throwing shitty people in your life. So the next message is, इस weekend कुछ करें क्या साथ में? Weekend plans with the same person who could not plan a future with you. See, if you have written this text, don't confuse boredom with feelings. You don't miss them, you just miss their attention. And if they have sent this message to you, before replying, just ask yourself, is this nostalgia or is this convenience? And no, we are not doing कुछ this weekend. अभी किसी को डेट करने का प्लान है क्या? We are not giving I'm still waiting for you energy in 2025. Do not, I repeat, do not take this as a sign to entertain them again. This is just emotional curiosity, not emotional accountability. और just reply to them कि अगर मुझे डेट करना है तो I'll date someone better this time. If you wanna date again, date someone who matches your healed energy and not trigger your old wounds. So the next message is, I didn't text him anything, but if he could ever send me a text, I would never text him back. That would be my perfect answer to his text. This just shows कि तुम कितना heal हो चुके हो, and the fact that you didn't text him, that's growth, that's control, and I'm proud of you. So the next message is, जब time लगे मेरी shirt लौटा देना, lol. You didn't care when the person was crying because of your mixed signals and suddenly now you care about your clothes? Just don't fall for it, girls. Sometimes people use this give me my stuff back as an excuse to see कि क्या तुम अभी भी उनको life में enter करने दोगे, क्या तुम अभी भी उन्हें entertain करोगे. But on the other hand, if you genuinely feel कि अपना stuff वापस लेने से you'll get the closure that you want, then it's your call. If that's your way of healing, no one's judging you. Come back home whenever you need. He cheated on me and I still said that. You weren't weak, you were just loving. But it's not your job to be someone's safe space, especially जब वो तुम्हें से cheat कर रहा है. ये बहुत misconception है लोगों के बीच में कि when you love someone deeply, you just lose yourself. No, you do not lose yourself. In a healthy relationship, if a person truly loves you, if you love someone, the true definition of love is not losing yourself. Forgive people, या cheating चलती है, या फिर if you love someone तो तुम्हें compromise करने पड़ते हैं, या you have to ignore such things, but no you don't. The next time you say come back home, let it be to yourself. The next message is, उसने कहा तुम बहुत सुंदर हो, I don't deserve you. Sir, if you really think you don't deserve her, then do something to become someone who really does. You're just dumping emotional guilt on her in the name of love. I don't deserve you isn't romance, it's just red flag in cursive. Next message is, movie date चलें क्या? अच्छा, you're not someone's weekend plan. Just know your worth.
Happy birthday to you. I wish you get everything in your life. You have a long career ahead and an amazing life. जल्दी से अपने और मम्मा पापा के सपने पूरे करो. Make them feel proud of having you as their daughter. Thank you for being a part of my life. Happy birthday again. काश पहले ऐसा होता.
It's not toxic, it's not manipulative, it's genuine and it's regret. So guys, मेरी फ़ोन की स्टोरेज ख़त्म हो गई थी, just iPhone problems. तो मैं अपनी बहन का फ़ोन उठा के ले आई हूँ. सबसे ज़्यादा तुझे किसकी याद आती है? They hope that the answer is still them, and I hope it's not. And अगर है भी तो उन्हें मत पता लगने दो. So जो ये नेक्स्ट मैसेज है ये काफ़ी लंबा है तो मैं इसे शॉर्ट में समझा देती हूँ. सपोज जिसने मुझे ये मैसेज भेजा है उसका नाम है राहुल, एंड जिस लड़की की बात वो कर रहा है उसका नाम है अंजलि, उसके फियांसे का नाम है अमन, एंड जो उसका बॉयफ्रेंड है उसका नाम है रोहन। तो राहुल ने ये बताया कि अंजलि का फियांसे अमन था एंड अमन ने अंजलि की फ्रेंड के साथ उस पर चीट कर दिया, तो उनकी एंगेजमेंट टूट गई। सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कि 3 साल तक आई गेस, हाँ, तो 3 साल तक राहुल और अंजलि साथ में थे एंड उसके बाद अंजलि रोहन के पास चले गई एंड रोहन हुआ उसका करंट बॉयफ्रेंड। सो अमन ने राहुल को कॉल करी अंजलि को कॉन्फ्रेंस पे लेके और बताया कि इसके साथ मैं हफ्ते में 3 बार सोया हूँ। फर्स्टली दिस इज सो डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल एंड सो चीप कि तुम इसको एज अ फ्लेक्स की तरह यूज कर रहे हो। एंड इफ अ गाय ट्रूली लव्स यू, वो कभी ये चीज किसी के सामने एज अ फ्लेक्स नहीं यूज करेगा या किसी को ये नहीं बताएगा। आई एम आउट ऑफ वर्ड्स। बट या स्टोरी यहाँ एंड नहीं होती है। राहुल से इसकी मैंने बोला कि हाँ भाई मैं अभी भी प्यार करता हूँ एंड देन ही कट्स दी कॉल एंड ही जस्ट फील्स कि उसकी क्या गलती थी कि उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ। गाइज ये हाइपोथेटिकल नेम्स थे जो मैंने लिए हैं, मुझे नहीं पता ये किसने मैसेज भेजा है एंड उसका रियल नेम क्या है। And to the one who wrote this, I just want to say you are not weak, you were not fool, you're just a good human. And trust me, God wasn't punishing you, He just protected you from someone who doesn't deserve you. So the next message is, last time we met he said, it's my life, you mean nothing, and later like nothing happened, he told me just focus on your studies. How convenient, right? I mean, it's like, I can't give you love, I can't give you closure, but I want to feel like a good person. He just said that to make himself feel better. And yes, you should focus on your studies. Not because he told you, but for you, for your future, and for your parents. Next message is, just because we can't be together doesn't mean I don't love you. Your world would be happier if I didn't come back. इस जन्म के लिए अलविदा princess. See, if you guys have mutually decided कि तुम्हें सेपरेट होना है, then it's a mature thing to say. But अगर ये म्यूचुअल नहीं है एंड वो अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से भाग रहा है, then that is a red flag. Next message is, how can someone just look at you and not fall in love with? If I would be driving and I see you, I might hit other car. If I am writing exam paper and you are an invigilator, I would fail because of not writing but to see you. बस पिघल गया मैं. Who is this Bollywood screenwriter? My last text to my ex was, who will change your diapers now? Damn girl, that was a low blow. And girls, you don't have to babysit a man child. The last message is, बस तू याद आ रहा है for real. It's okay. You are human. You just felt something real. But missing someone doesn't mean कि तुम उन्हें वापस entertain करो अपने life में. They were your ex for a reason. Remember that. So that was it for today's video, guys. Love can break you, heal you, teach you, or even change you into a totally different version of yours. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.